Hello, what is up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is Double Tap Pro exactly and why you need to be hopping onto this software ASAP, as soon as possible. So basically, what Double Tap really does, it's an Instagram software that helps you automate your Instagram account for your business, your drop shipping store, your e-commerce store. It doesn't even have to be an e-commerce store or a business. It could be your personal brand, your influencer. You want to grow your account, whatever it might be. It helps you get more followers and make more sales on autopilot. And it was basically founded by Josh King Madrid, Thaddeus Strickland, and a team of developers that actually are part of a community called X-Commerce. It's basically an online community that helps people learn how to do drop shipping, start their own e-commerce store, make sales with Shopify, affiliate marketing, whatever business that might be. So it's a great community of people that I've met Josh before. I've met Thaddeus. I've actually been out to some of their events. They're a part of Team Jet Set, which is basically a group of like-minded young individuals, like from the age of 16 to around the young early 20s, who basically have started their own entrepreneur journeys. They're doing well. They ditched the 9-to-5 lifestyle. So yeah, enough of that basically. So let's go a little more into the details of what exactly Double Tap Pro will do for you. So basically, Double Tap Pro is laser targeting for whatever business, niche, whatever it is you're going into. It targets followers based on hashtags. You can target accounts, even like specific accounts. For example, if I wanted to target people who follow Jake Paul, that's what I would do. I could target anyone who follows Jake Paul. And it can also target geographic locations. For example, if you had a business that runs in Canada or India, whatever it might be, like if it's a local business, whatever it might be, you can target only that specific area. And basically what the software does, it helps you automate your likes, your comments, your follows, your unfollows of other accounts to individuals or consumers who are in your target niche. So it makes that process super easy for you. Super easy. It can be very specific too. So basically, you can choose what type of post you engage with based on things like your number of likes, the number of followers, the comments, whatever it might be. So like for example, I could target maybe only certain accounts that have 100 followers, 10 like Instagram posts, or at least one comment on a photo or video that they have, whatever it might be. You can also interact with like whatever media you choose to. So a lot of other Instagram softwares will only like maybe the first 2 or 3 photos or posts, of like that account that you're trying to target. But the thing is, this software basically acts like a human. So if I'm scrolling through Instagram, I can maybe like this one person's like second most recent photo, but I can scroll down and like any of their other photos. And that's what their software does. And engages with other Instagram accounts for your target customers like you're a real human being. It saves you probably like over 10 hours a day. So it basically cuts out time out of the equation, and it cuts out the amount of extra effort you have to go towards getting those target customers. It grows your Instagram following at the same time, and it increases your sales and your traffic to your e-commerce store. It's a win-win. It's almost a no-brainer. Like, the software sells itself, guys. It really does. In terms of, basically, you have 14 days to try this software out. You cannot. This is a guaranteed investment. You cannot lose. If you don't like the software, you can just ask for a refund after 14 days. So there's basically 3 pricing packages for the software. The first one, called Growth Hacker 1, is at $57. It allows you to automate 1 account. Second is Growth Hacker 2, which allows you to automate 3 accounts. And the third package is so the second package is $127, and then for the third package, it's Growth Hacker 3, which is $167 that allows you to automate up to 6 Instagram accounts. So, for example, if I was to do Growth Hacker 3, which that's a package I actually got myself. So, I got 1 account to help me grow my personal brand. Second account can maybe grow my drop shipping stores account. The other 4 could be used for whatever I want them to be. So I could having a niche account. I could have a travel account. I could have a beauty account. I could have a business account, a motivation quotes account. Like you can be an influencer as well. This helps you grow your following easily. 24/7, 365 on demand. The results are there. I mean, one second. Let me pull up my Shopify dashboard here. So today I've already made 2 sales. $0 of ad spend. I've already made 2 sales. $60 total in sales. And I'm just getting started because I didn't really start an Instagram account for my drop shipping store until a couple days ago. So I'm already getting results by just using the software. So if you're interested in getting the software, I promise you will not regret it. Saves you time, saves you money, increases your income, decreases the time you have to spend on your store, your business, whatever it might be. It's one of the best investments you'll make in 2018. And the best part of this right now, if you're watching this right now, the software is still up. Like, it just got released a few days ago, last week actually. So the earlier you guys get in, the better it is for you guys. And if you want to if you're interested in getting the software, click the link down in the description below. It will take you to a landing page that looks just like this. So it'll have a video explaining all the features of Double Tap Pro. I went over like the main gist of it, but it has all the details you need to know. You can scroll down further, and at the bottom it'll have the 3 different packages available, and you can choose which one you want. But I will definitely at least try it out. Like, you have 14 days to try it out. Easily one of the best investments I've made, because I was skeptical at first too, but hey, I'm already getting results, so I'm going to keep sticking to it. Anyways, that was all for this video, guys. Until next time, peace.